Bird man.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how easily you can export data from Houdini to After Effects using a custom tool I created. Let's imagine a scenario where you need to transfer animated objects data from Houdini to After Effects. The objects include a camera with all necessary parameters, null objects, and centroid data for points and primitives. Let's setting up the tool. In the comp name section, define a name for the After Effects composition, set the resolution and the time range. Let's set this to 4 frames for now. Drag a camera from the network view into the camera section. You can also add multiple cameras by clicking the plus button. Let's add null objects. Click the plus button in the geometry section. Drag and drop an object from the network view into the newly created geometry slot. Set the geometry type to null for this example. Let's add primitive endpoints. Add another geometry, but this time set its type to primitives. Use the select group field to specify primitive numbers, separating them with spaces, or leave it empty to select all primitives in geometry. Same logic works for points, but instead of using primitive numbers, use point number for selection. Let's export data. Once satisfied with your setup, define a folder and file name for the export. Name the file with the .jsx extension. Click the Export button. Let's open the exported file in the text editor. You'll see how the data is organized. Each exported geometry has a clear name, including the point or primitive number index. Let's open it in After Effects. Navigate to the File menu and choose Scripts, Run Script File. Select the JSX file. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to import the script into a new or existing composition. For the next example, I will use 90-frame animation. To reduce file size, I use a truncate function to reduce large float numbers without rounding, ensuring precision. The optimal minimum value is 5, but you can increase it for atomic precision. Export the animation again and reload it into After Effects. That's it. Thank you.